Wetsuits are designed to keep you warm when swimming in very cold water, but I got these wetsuits because I just simply want to protect my kids from the sun. We are always going swimming, we're always going to lakes and camping and stuff like that, and I need them to be protected from the sun, and constantly putting sunscreen on them can get really tiring. I'm going to explain some of the details and then you'll get to see my kids wear them. These wetsuits are highly elastic and very stretchy, so I already know these will be comfortable for them. They'll be able to move around freely. It has a long zipper, making it easy to put on and take off, as well as added protection for the neck. I also love the added bright color because it makes them more visible when swimming in the ocean or the lake. Now let's see how they like it.